Hi everyone, this is Sonic here, and I got my first ever review to do the two boxing of Disney Infinity Series 2. Even though that's the first one is Woody. Um, this figure is one figure that was released for Walmart, and either their recall or anything, but I got the last one, so let's open them up. And here he is unboxed, with dream angle, and he looked good. The sculpting not bad, and come with um his card is nice and nicely done, and it looked pretty awesome. So the figure, this is not thing for playset included. You pre-order it for GameStop. Okay. Next figure I got today is Jack Skellington. Well, it's a really good figure. In the back of the box, have all the characters in the lineup over Series 2 and look good. Now let's open them up and see what we find. This figure is so interesting. So here we have Jack. Now, Jack, okay, with me, because this picture and the sculpting is well done, because in 3-degree angle, and he looked pretty interesting character, because it's disappointing he don't have his own world and to explore. So you're pretty good, and hopefully it was awesome indeed. Let's think look good. I can't wait to play it soon. Next is card, and is one of the things I collected him the most in anticipating this figure, and mostly other things. And that wrapped up for this review. Stay tuned. We're gonna have a first time ever toy box review of Toy Story playsets. So stick around. This is Sonic out.